Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, August 23rd, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 25 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setup and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trade day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning in a high probability gap range right around 1126, and you can see we quickly pushed down and filled our 415 and 4 o'clock gap. Shortly after filling the 4 o'clock gap, we did get a nice move to the upside that did produce a signal entry that unfortunately we were able to get our first contract off, ended up getting stopped out only to see it go on and hit its target. Ended up with a T1 minus 2 on that first trade. The market basically was up for the majority of the day. We did have a few crosses of our moving average that set up a few other trades. The first one happened right around 10:15. We did get a small signal short, produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. Then we came back above our moving average, and we had a signal, but it didn't meet our rule set, so we did not have a valid signal right here at 10:33, so there was no opportunity to the long side on that particular trade. And then there was a quick extension to the downside right about going into 11 o'clock. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks. And then right before the lunchtime dead zone, we had another signal to get long. Again, we were able to get our first contract off, but it ended up pushing back further than we had expected, and it ended up with a T1 minus 2 heading into the lunchtime dead zone. So a few early stop outs that were reduced risk, if you will. And then right at 1:15, when we start trading again, I forgot to mention here that the red area you see on this chart between 11:30 and 1:15, we call that the dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades during that time. But coming out of the dead zone, we did have an extension to the downside that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks as soon as the lunchtime dead zone was over. The market pushed down, gave us a nice, you can see this quick move here. There was an earthquake on the East Coast, and when that first came out, the market dropped, but quickly recovered, came through our moving average, gave another signal to the long side right about 2:30, another extension. You can see this fast move up, and that extension did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks, and that was the last trade of the day, and the market basically closed at its highs for the day. So 6 trades, 25 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.